Your Oraimo FreePOS 3 is not connecting and working as usual. Here's a quick fix. First, bring the earbuds out of their case and make sure they are charged up and position them in your hand like this. Once you have them in your hand, double tap both earbuds 1 2. Go to the second one 1 2. Once you have done that, it looks like nothing is happening. Then triple tap on the one that is blinking red and green. If both of them are blinking red and green, then you have to triple tap both earbuds. In this case, it's just this one. Now you triple tap this one 1 2 3. As you can see, both earbuds blink red and goes off. Now it has been reset. Return it back to the case like this and close the lid. Make sure you see this LED, 3 LED go off. Once it is off, then you can bring out the earbuds out of the case once again and connect them to your smartphone and it will work. It's that simple. And if you have any question, drop it down there in the comment section and I'll reply you as soon as possible. That's all. Peace.